America is not about ruling by verbal edict or, just the whims. The president has been elected to enforce the laws of this country, and he doesn't get to pick which laws that he likes or dislikes.
Congressman Allen West reacting to President Obama's latest decision not to enforce the nation's laws. This latest move not to deport some 800,000 illegal immigrants under the age of 30 but older than 16 and over builds on previous Obama administration policy to catch and release illegal immigrants based on the administration's judgment about who should stay and who should be deported, rather than basing that on law, the decision not based on the existing laws of the land, certainly. So the Obama administration also actively working to undermine, block, and ban state anti-illegal immigration laws as well. In Arizona, Alabama, South Carolina, and Utah, well, the administration just decided to sue them. The administration saying it would no longer deport so-called non-citizen spouses of gay Americans either, by golly. And it's not just our immigration laws that this administration has chosen unilaterally not to enforce. The Obama Justice Department also announced last year it would not defend the federal Defense of Marriage Act law against court challenges. Just decided. And quietly, just before the long Christmas weekend last year, the Obama Justice Department reversed decades of legal opinions when it changed the interpretation of two gambling statutes and effectively legalized internet gambling at the state level. And when it comes to education, no child left behind. The president unilaterally making a policy judgment and deciding not to enforce laws. In February, he in fact granted waivers to 10 states, releasing them from the standards set by the President Bush's No Child Left Behind Act. It was also Senator Ted Kennedy's No Child Left Behind Act. I don't know why there hasn't been more outcry to you. And the crux of the president's we can't wait policy is to blame who else? Republicans. He can't wait. Those Republicans were there and they wouldn't do what he told them. Unfortunately, that argument doesn't hold up much when you consider the facts. That's what happens. I mean, take, for example, comprehensive immigration reform. Comprehensive immigration reform. Candidate Obama promised to make it a priority in his first year. Well, he had just about 2 years of a Democratic Congress and a Democratic Senate. He had control of the White House, the Senate, and the House, yet he did nothing to move forward comprehensive immigration reform, not even by executive fiat, executive order, decree, or whatever you wanted to call it. His we can't wait thing has been building through his first 3.5 years. Finally, we're here. We can't wait. And now, much of the country can't wait, but they can't wait until November 6th of this year.